Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set reminders on an Android phone so you never forget tasks, meetings, or important events. So let's get started. First, set reminder using Google Calendar. For that, you need to open your Google Calendar app. So here it is. Now, tap on this plus icon at the bottom right. Select reminder at the top right. And type your reminder name, for example, buy groceries or call someone. Now here you can choose date, time. I will go with 11 and the date will be 31st December, Wednesday. Now, once done, tap save at the bottom right. And your phone will now notify you at the selected time. You can also choose either to repeat daily, weekly reminder, monthly reminder, reminding you every hour, every day, or every month. Great for routines and study schedules. Second is in alarm style, where you can set reminder in clock app. For that, find and open the clock app in your phone. Tap on plus icon at the top right. Now here set the alarm name. For example, workout. You can choose the alarm sound, snooze time, and even the alarm background. And once done, tap save at the bottom right. This works more like a traditional alarm reminder. You can also use Google Tasks, Microsoft To Do, Samsung Reminder. Just add a task, set date and time, and save. Great for work, study, and productivity. And to delete reminders, simply tap and hold onto that reminder and tap delete at the bottom right. And that's how you can easily set reminders on your Android phone using different methods. If this video helped you, like the video, comment what tutorial you want next, and subscribe for more useful tech guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.